Welcome to Angular 2 tutorials. Now we are going to look at project structure and component structure. Angular 2 application structure. Angular 2 application is a collection of set of components. And some common services providing functionality across components. So Angular application is a collection of set of components, different components, and some common services providing functionality across these components. Okay. Uh, Next is Angular 2 component structure. So here application is collection of set of components. Then what is this component? So let's look at component structure. A component is a collection of HTML part and coding part and metadata part. So to represent components HTML part, we can use HTML template. Okay, to represent components code, we can use a class. To find out extra information about the component, we can find out that with metadata. So Angular component is a collection of HTML template. So this HTML template is providing components HTML code, okay, holding components HTML, and this class is holding components business logic and methods and properties. So this class is going to hold or have components properties and components methods. We can use properties to bind the data to HTML view. Then why we need methods? We need methods to execute events, HTML events, actions. When we click on a button, we need to call some method. So for that purpose we use methods. Then the metadata. If you want to find out extra information about the component, like how can we find out that what is the selector of the component, like that, if we want to find out extra information, we can find that through metadata. So if you want to find out components HTML, you can find out with HTML template. Then if you want to find out some properties or methods or business logic, components business logic, or model binders, or data elements, we can find out that with a class component. Then if you want to find out extra information, metadata, so we can find out that with metadata. Thank you for watching.